Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular Chinese song Feng by Zhou Jie Lun or Maple Leaf by Jay Chou. I chose this song because it's one of my favorite songs of Jay Chou. I'll be breaking down two parts of the song so that you can learn Chinese easily. 乌云在我们心里搁下一块阴影，我聆听沉寂已久的心情，清晰透明，就像美丽的风景，总在回忆里才看得清。乌云 Wu means dark. Yun means cloud. Wu Yun means dark cloud. At can be 在. 在 can also indicate where the object or place is. 我们 is usually us or we, but in this case, 我们心里 the 的 is being omitted. So it's actually 我们的 which is our. 心 is heart. 里 is in. If you notice, for Chinese the preposition is usually after the noun, whereas for English the preposition is usually before the noun. 搁下 is put or put aside. 一块 is a 量词 a 量词 is a term in Chinese which is used to describe the quantity of the noun. So for every noun, there's a 量词 that is paired with it. So 一 is 1. 阴影 is shadow. It can also be trauma. 我 is I. 聆听 is listen. And usually 聆听 is listening carefully. 沉静 is still or quiet. 已 is already. 久 is long. And this word refers to time, so a long time. 心情 is feeling or mood. 的 is used to connect the description and the noun. So 沉寂已久 is the description. 心情 is the noun, so a feeling that is already still for a long time. 清晰 is clear. 透明 is transparent. 就 is just. 像 is like. 美丽 is beautiful. 风景 is scenery. 的 is used to connect the adjective to the noun. So 美丽 is the adjective, 风景 is the noun. So a beautiful scenery. 总 is always. 在 similarly is at or also can indicate where it is. 回忆 is memory. 里 is in. 才 is then. 看 is see. 清 is clear. This 的 is used after the verb to describe the verb. So in this case, you are able to see clearly. 缓缓飘落的枫叶像思念，为何挽回要赶在冬天来之前？爱你穿越时间，两行来自秋末的眼泪，让爱渗透了地面。我要的只是你在我身边。缓 is slow. 缓缓 means slowly. 飘 is to float or fly in the air. Is in a slow motion from side to side. 落 is drop. So 飘落 means it's in the air for some time before it drops. 风 is vapor. 叶 is leaf. The is used to connect the description and the noun. So Feng Ye is the noun and Piao Luo is the description. So a Feng Ye that Piao Luo, a maple leaf that is in the air and dropping. Xiang is like. 思念 is the feeling of missing someone. 为何 is why. Usually when we speak in an informal way, we will say 为什么. So 为何 is more formal way of saying. 挽回 is trying to get the person back after the person is trying to leave. 要 is want. 赶 is rush. 冬天 is winter. 在 is used to indicate when also, besides where that was mentioned just now. It also can be at. 来 is come. 之前 is before. 冬天来之前 means before winter comes. 爱 is love. 你 is you. 穿越 is travel through. 时间 is time. 两 is two. 'This word can be read as hang and sing, but in this case, when it rows or lines, is read as hang. If it's 行走 walking, is read as sing. 来 is come. 来自 means come from. 秋 is autumn. Fall means end. So it's probably late autumn or when the autumn is ending. 眼泪 is tears. The is used to connect the description and the noun. So 眼泪 is the description. 眼泪 is the noun. 来自秋末 is the description. So the tears that come from the end of autumn. And 两行眼泪 is probably 2 lines like this. 让 is let. I is love. 渗透 is to penetrate. Penetrate through. 地面 is 地 is ground. 地面 is ground surface. Wo is I. 要 is want. 我要的 means what I want. 只是 can be just or only. 你 is you. 在 is at. 我身边 means by my side. So what I want is just you by my side. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.